welcome back to my channel. Today I thought it would be fun to do another vlog. I'm having fun doing kind of these vlogs sprinkled into my channel, so I thought I would do another one for you. Today is just me and my sidekick back there, baby D. Where are we going? We're going to a crystal store. So today it's Monday. What is today? I can't remember the date, but it's the Monday before Memorial Day.
I just have a scratch.
Oh, so this morning I worked, and then I cleaned the house a little bit, and then I got ready, and then I got Dee ready, and we ate some breakfast. So yeah, so I was heading to Hobby Lobby because I have some things to return, but we're taking a detour to a crystal store. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you would know that I'm really into crystals and things, so that's where we're heading now. Dee is obsessed with crystals too, aren't you, Sissy?
No.
You love crystals?
Yeah.
Yeah, are they your favorite? Yeah. She loves looking at them and looking at pictures and watching crystal collection videos. I've created a monster.
And watching snow globes.
Yeah, you like snow globes too? Mm-hmm.
Yeah, Rainbow Dash one.
Oh, you want a Rainbow Dash snow globe?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll see what we can do. So we're just taking a little detour there because why not? We don't have a whole lot going on today, so might as well just hang out and do a few things we like. So I figured I'd take you guys along with me to check out a couple things. So that's where we're heading now, and then Hobby Lobby, and then
No, crystal store.
yeah, we're going to the crystal store first. Okay. And then
I pick up my tongue.
oh, you're silly. And then we're gonna head to Target because I need some new lamps for our bedroom. So
Crystal store.
we're going to the crystal store first. Little Miss is obsessed with crystals. So
I'm not.
you're not?
Nope.
I find that hard to believe.
I'm just scared of dark horses.
You're scared of dark horses?
Yeah.
You're silly.
They scare me.
Oh, they scare her a lot. Okay, but yeah, let's get going. Okay, so I got a few things. The first thing I got was this little chunk of citrine. It's in its matrix. It's very pretty. It was only $5.95. And the next thing I got was a chunk of amethyst. I loved how this was dark purple. This was also only $5.95. Some of these I don't know, but I was drawn to them. I know this one is tourmaline. My nail polish is stripping apart. This one is aura quartz. This one was howlite, white howlite.
Can I see that? Can I see that?
This one is a moonstone. And then this is jade. So I guess the only one I didn't know was this one. I was just drawn to this one. So these are all the crystals I got. What did you get? You got a moonstone. What else? Oh, a bell. So cool.
Do you want to hear it ring?
Yeah. Whoa. So we've never been to that store before. I just looked up metaphysical stores in my area because metaphysical stores carry crystals. And we happened upon this one. Luckily it was close to where Hobby Lobby is, and it was really cool. It wasn't that too badly priced, and we got a lot of stuff. So where are we going to now?
Hobby Lobby.
Now we're gonna you sound so thrilled. Were you good in the store?
Yeah.
She was very good in the store, especially since there was crystals everywhere. She was very excited, but she kept it contained. She wasn't going nuts. So we're gonna go Hobby Lobby now, return that stuff, and then I don't think we'll get anything at Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby for me lately has just not been that great. I'm just gonna say it. So after Hobby Lobby, we're probably gonna go to Target. Okay, we're done at Hobby Lobby. What is it about Hobby Lobby that is so stressful with kids? That was so stressful. There were so many people there. It's Monday, but I only got 2 things, and it's for a project for my office. So I got some rose gold spray paint and some matte black spray paint. You'll see how I use these in, I'll just show you. I'll show you when I get home what I'm gonna do when Dee goes down for a nap. So that was stressful. Now I'm trying to decide if I want to go to Target or not. Is it worth it? Do I brave it? I don't know. I'll let you guys know. I feel like every vlog I ever do, I somehow always end up at Target. I don't know why. I think it's because I just vlog on days when we're actually doing stuff and not on days where we're just staying home. Because I feel like when we're just staying home, it's kind of boring to like vlog, be like, look at the kitchen clean. Look at me and Dee playing blocks. So I always try to vlog when I'm out and about, but yeah. So I'm home now. The baby's laying down because she had a meltdown in Target because we didn't get a ball. Toddler life, am I right? If you ever see a mom out there struggling with a tantrum throwing toddler, do not judge her because it's been a long day. So in honor of that tantrum in Target that I kept my cool in and didn't freak out, I'm gonna have a cookie. And I've shared my cookie recipe with you guys before. I'll link it up here. But I decided to try the Joanna Gaines recipe, and it's really, really good. They turned out amazing. They should be because they have 2 cups of brown sugar in them. But they're really, really good, and I may actually switch over to making her cookies because they came out so good. So I'm gonna eat one of these, and I'm gonna make some lunch. I think I'm gonna make a quesadilla with some leftover chicken. Okay, so I just filmed a favorites video, but now it is, what time is it? It's about 4, so I'm not gonna get to do my DIY project today, but I'll show you guys what I plan on doing. So here on my vanity, I have mason jars that I keep my makeup brushes in. I've done this forever. So I'm going to paint those rose gold to match my office. And then you know the rings that normally go around those, I'm gonna paint that matte black. And I think it's gonna be really cute, and it's gonna tie in my office together. And I need a rose gold mirror that's super shiny, but I'm gonna clean up this favorite stuff and then maybe take a shower. I don't know. Okay guys, I'm at work now, so this is where I'm gonna call it. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, make sure and give it a big thumbs up, as well as hit subscribe down below. I would absolutely love to have you here, and I will see you guys back here next time for a new video. Bye!